Hola, hola, bienvenidos todos. Yo soy Susana Lescano y soy tu maestra de español. I'm Susana Lescano, I'm your Spanish teacher, and I'm so happy I'm live right now, but this will be recorded on YouTube later. I wanted to say something really important. I wanted to say Feliz 4 de julio, Día de la Independencia de Estados Unidos, y espero que estén celebrando. I hope you're celebrating with your family. If you have a trip to one of the Spanish speaking countries and you want to teach them about Independence Day in America, I will teach you some vocabulary you can use, or just you want to learn how to talk about these things, fireworks, Independence Day, and sentences. I will teach you all of that en esta clase. In this class, remember we have daily Spanish classes on my channel. Follow me everywhere, Spanish.Education, like you see here, and Instagram, and Facebook, and Twitch, and YouTube, en todos lados. Así que te espero por allí. I wait for you here. Vamos a empezar. Let's start with our fantastic presentation for my lovers of Castilian. Pero, primero, before we start, I wanted to tell you that this that you see here, esperen, wait. Esto, The Fun Way, will take you to my book on Amazon. I have it right here. And you can learn about celebrations also in Spanish speaking countries, not just Día de la Independencia. You can learn basically all the Spanish you need. El Día de San Valentín, todas estas cosas. Spanish the Fun Way by Teacher Susie. Esa soy yo. Because the fun way is the best way, okay? So go ahead and check that out. Also, don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment this video. And if you have kids, you know I also have an academy, a Spanish academy for kids. So this will be a great July 4th present. If you have nephews, you have kids, go ahead and check my classes on OutSchool. You can just scan this QR code, it will take you there. And also, it's a great present, Spanish the Fun Way, the ultimate Spanish book. It's for kids, but it's also for adults. Así que, vamos allá. Let's go. Also, please let me know how the music is, and I will work on it for future videos, okay? Because I know it may be a little bit muy fuerte, right? Too strong the music. Pero bueno, hola lovers of Castilian, and lovers of Castilian is the name I use for my followers, and we have a private Facebook group you can join. It's in the description. Hola amigos, bienvenidos de vuelta al canal. Me encanta tenerlos aquí. I love to have you here. Vamos a aprender algo especial que planeé para todos ustedes. You know what it is. I like to sound interesting. Vamos a celebrar el 4 de julio, el Día de la Independencia de Estados Unidos. Pensamos que sería una oportunidad fantástica para aprender vocabulario en español y frases relacionadas con este día histórico. Qué bonito. Again, you can be talking about this in a Spanish-speaking country for Spaniards like me, because I'm a Spanish teacher from Spain. It's really interesting to learn about this celebration. I didn't know when I was growing up. Así que vamos a aprender vocabulario del 4 de julio. Comment down below. Listo? If you are ready. Listo. Hola a todos. I'm Susana Lescano, and I will be your Spanish guide today and every day. We'll cover some key vocabulary and sentences, really important, to talk about la independencia de los Estados Unidos, because I know in Mexico, and I have it here in el libro, my book, they also have Día de la Independencia, but it's on a different date. Vamos a empezar. Let's start. Vocabulario. Dun, dun, dun. Día de la Independencia. And as you can see in the background, to wish a happy day, we say Feliz Día de la Independencia. Feliz Día de la Independencia. Día de la Independencia. Fuegos artificiales. ¡Wow! ¡Qué bonitos! Me encantan. Fuegos artificiales. La bandera. Bandera. Celebración. Muy parecido, ¿verdad? Really similar, huh? Celebración. Don't forget that accent is not celebración or celebración, but celebración. Desfile. Desfile. I always forget this word in English because I don't even know if it's parade. No, parade. Is it parade or parade? Let me know in the chat or in the comments. But in Spanish is desfile. We have desfile a few times per year. We have el desfile del Día del Orgullo Gay. That was recently, was, proud. El desfile del Orgullo Gay. Or we have desfile también en Navidad, in Christmas too. Desfile. Desfile. Barbacoa. Barbacoa. Me gusta. Yo soy vegetariana. I'm a vegetarian though, but I can eat some things. Ooh. And our very, very dearest. Libertad. Libertad. Libertad is actually liberty or freedom, what everyone dreams about in America, right? La libertad. Libertad. Patriótico. Or if you're a woman, patriótica. Patriótico o patriótica. Declaración de Independencia. Declaración de Independencia. Oh. Again, libertad. You can see it's both liberty and freedom. The Liberty statue is called La Estatua de la Libertad, like the Statue of Freedom or Liberty statue. La Estatua de la Libertad. Ok, that's for el vocabulario. No hay muchas cosas, not so many things, right? But let's go with the sentences. Vamos allá. And you have some homework. By the way, please do take your notebook because if you don't write them down, you'll probably forget. So come on, I give you un segundo. I give you 1 second to get your notebook. Uno. That's it. ¿Lo tienes? No, but I mean it. Take notes. If you are watching this on YouTube, pause it and go get your notebook because it's important the practice and the repetition to learn a language. You can be fluent in Spanish by watching my videos, but only if you do that every single day and you practice after the video as if it was a class, okay? Now, let me know if you can see that clearly or maybe I can modify the video a little bit. Let me know if this works for you. Hoy estamos celebrando el Día de la Independencia de los Estados Unidos. Hoy estamos celebrando el Día de la Independencia de los Estados Unidos. Me encanta ver los fuegos artificiales en esta celebración. Beautiful. La bandera de los Estados Unidos tiene barras y estrellas. It's funny how I'm talking about la bandera de los Estados Unidos and we can see la bandera de México. Oh, this artificial intelligence. En este día, la gente se reúne para disfrutar de una barbacoa. En este día, la gente se reúne para disfrutar de una barbacoa. El desfile es una tradición importante en el Día de la Independencia. La Declaración de Independencia fue firmada en 1776. Let me know if you would like to have a class about numbers, but this is 1776. ¡Feliz Día de la Independencia! La libertad es un valor fundamental para los estadounidenses. Is that true? ¿Sí? Este es un evento patriótico donde la gente muestra su amor por el país. That's important. No one really shows their love for their country anymore, right? But now, you thought it was fácil, this was easy. No, no, no. Practice time. Vamos a practicar. Vamos a practicar lo que aprendimos, ¿de acuerdo? Yo lo voy a decir en inglés. I'll do my best, okay, with my English. Y quiero que tú me lo digas en español. ¿Listos? Vamos allá. Tan, tan, tan. Before I tell you, like you try to tell me, and before I give you the right answer, comment down below and you will see your mistakes. That's so important. Número 1. I enjoy watching the fireworks on Independence Day. How do you say that en español? Comment down below. I enjoy watching the fireworks on Independence Day. Disfruto. You know how the verbs in present in the first person start with, finish with O. Disfruto. Like yo disfruto viendo los fuegos artificiales en el Día de la Independencia. Did you do it muy bien? You can have un punto. Número 2. The parade is a festive event with colorful floats. Esta es difícil. Difficult, huh? Comment your answers and I will rate. I hope you do it muy bien. And the right answer is: el desfile es un evento festivo con carrozas. Carrozas, like el Día del Orgullo Gay. El desfile es un evento festivo con carrozas coloridas. Colorful, coloridas. Oh, muy bueno. Es genial. Una fácil, okay, an easy one. We celebrate July 4th with a barbecue and family gathering. Esta es muy fácil. Don't tell me you don't know this one. Come on, vamos. Celebramos el 4 de julio con una barbacoa y reunión familiar. One more time. Celebramos el 4 de julio con una barbacoa y reunión familiar. You didn't know. Reunión, huh? Una más. The Declaration of Independence is a significant historical document. Sí que lo es. How would you say that en español? La Declaración de Independencia es un documento histórico. Don't forget that silent H. Histórico. Significativo. Otra vez. One more time. La Declaración de Independencia es un documento histórico significativo. bien. Has aprendido vocabulario, has aprendido frases. I hope this was useful for you. Don't forget to like and comment if it was. And most of it, I hope you really enjoyed your 4 de Julio. Please tell me what you did with your family. Try to comment in Spanish if you can, or I will help you translate. I always read all of the comments. And remember what I said before, it's really important to keep practicing your Espanol every day. Watch all of my videos, follow me on all the social media, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more Spanish contenido, Spanish content. And of course, what can I say? You really need this book. It's the ultimate Spanish guide, Spanish book. And if you have or you know kids who can learn some Spanish, we'll wait for you there with many professional native teachers. And this book is for you and your kids, or only for you if you don't have kids yet, like me. But anyways, I will see you tomorrow, hopefully. Nos vemos en la próxima clase. I'm really glad I can teach you all. Y nos vemos. Adiós. Gracias. Mua.